President wa kiama kia mufira kia Football Kenya Federation we Nick Mwendwa niereganite na woni ati timu ya mufira ya Harambee Stars yahota gukorwo ikiremererwo guthaka ngucanio-ini cia AFCON thutha wa ligi ya mufira ya guku bururi-ini gukorwo icenjetie mwaka muthiru.
It's a tighter schedule than before. We have to stretch them. We didn't have a choice. We have to make this change, take the pain, so we can be on a good season in the coming year. So this season was always going to be like this. After this, now everybody will be on a good run.
Kurigana nake ligi ino yukite guteithiriria athaki kuona ati athaki aya maumite irabu cia ligi itiganite thiini wa thi kuria mbitika ikoragwo igithakwo mahinda matiganite undu uria arauga ni munyaka hari timu ino.
We have a balanced squad of players from outside and players who are in the local league. So if anything, I think it's going to help us because they'll be at a good place. They'll have trained a lot. They'll have done many things. So I think it will be good.
Makiria mathaki 10 thiini wa timu ya bururi iria retirwo mehaririria-ini ni coach Sebastian Migne muthenya wa ira maumite ligi cia nja wa bururi undu uria uronekana tari njira ya kuongerera timu ino mayo mbere ya mbitika ya gucokerana na timu ya Black Star kuma bururi-ini wa Ghana.
We meet in France and we have 3 weeks in France. Then we go directly from France to Cairo. And we go to the Cup of Nations. The plans are in place. We're just waiting for funding from the sports fund, after which every little thing has been organized. The players are ready, the coaches are ready. The coach has asked for everything he wants. We're going to give him everything he wants. And we're going to agree with the players what needs to be done.
Harambee Stars maratanya gukorwo makierekera bururi-ini wa Faranja kwa ihinda ria ciumia 3 mehaririria-ini mbere ya ngucanio cia Africa Cup of Nations kwambiriria mweri-ini wa Gatandatu. Ngiribuatira metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, Geto Shohi wa Ithe Fethi.